Hello everyone and welcome back to the Twice Your Cheap YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox the full 2024 fall surprise box. So let's get started. On the sticker there are fall gnomes and that just makes me happy. So let's see what we have. Here's your first look at what is inside. Oh my goodness. So let's start with the yarn. We have a DK weight mini skein set from Yarnaceous Fibers, and this is the Cozy Cabin Doodle set. So there are 5 colors and you can use these to do color work. There are lots of options of doodles from Jamie at Pacific Knit Co. so that you can work different color work patterns with this. There's some very fall ones. There are some cup cozies, or you can use them all in one project. I just think this is going to make the cutest fall cowl, and I am so excited to use these all together. So let's see what else we have. We have a hedgehog in yarn tape measure. So these are my favorite tape measures because there's a little hidden button. And when you pull it out, then you push the little hidden button and it comes back. So we have been so excited about these in the office. We just think the hedgehog is so cute. So we also have a Black Bear in the Forest large tin. We have some clip markers. These are mushkins, and you got all 3 of them in your box. They are little mushrooms on clip markers. Clip markers are great for marking your progress. I use that for daily and weekly progress. It's so motivating for me. You can use them to mark a specific stitch. They are great for crochet. You can clip it to wherever you need to go. So the row counter this time is a straight medium counter with gold loops and a tree down here for the charm. This is just so pretty and so fall. And let's see what's in this box, shall we? It's a mug. So we have a mug with a super cool forest and wolves scene, and it is insulated so it will keep your drinks warm or cold. And look at the way this fits in my hand. That is amazing. That's really cool. I love the handle on that. And we also have a pom-pom, perfect for fall hats. And these come with a ribbon, so they are super easy to attach. You just thread the ribbon through the inside of your hat, and then you can tie a bow on the inside. And then when you're ready to wash your hat or switch it to a different hat, you can just untie it and then tie it to its next hat. So we have one other thing in here, and this is the My Little Bag of Magic Tricks bag, and I'm going to show you where this goes. So in the first 2 boxes of the Surprise Box Club this year, we sent our brand new project journal in the spring box, and then in the summer box we sent the gauge square that goes in the journal, and we sent some pens that you can use to write in your journal. So this bag goes on the front of your journal like this. And then you can tuck notions inside this pouch. You can tuck your pens. colored pencils to work on your notebook in here, on any of your designs and any of your projects. They just all fit right there. And then it's all contained in your journal. And we hope you enjoyed all of the little tricks to your journal this year. And if you did not get a 2024 Surprise Box Club, the journals are on our website. We have the chubby sheet and the floral print. And it's just the perfect way to keep track of all your projects so that you never forget what yarn you used or when you made it or all of the little details that you want to remember. So that is it for the fall surprise box. We were all so excited to show you guys this box. We had so much fun putting it together, and it just feels so fall, and it just came together so well. So since we have reached the end of our 2024 Surprise Book Club, it is time to start talking about 2025. And we have a wish list going for the 2025 Surprise Book Club. Signups will open on October 1st. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. We would love to spoil you all year long in 2025. And we can't wait to dream up new things that we know you are going to love. Have a great day, and we will chat soon.